In this video, I plan to give you an introduction about how the soldering is performed and how it can be done with ease and effectiveness. First of all, I would like to give you the introduction of the solder. Solders are basically tin alloys with lead as addition. Then the second things are second important thing used in the process of soldering is flux. Flux are made up of different material and give different properties to the soldering joint. Important functions of the solders include cleaning of the joint, preventing oxidation, and it also allows first time sticking of the soldering material until it is solidified on the joint which you want to make. This is a soldering iron, the device used for the soldering purpose. It gives the temperature of about 320 to 350 degrees Celsius. Currently, I'm using a 60-watt soldering iron. These soldering irons are available in different tip shapes, in different sizes in the market, and also they are available in various capacities and their thermal power. The first step in soldering is to clean the tip, to apply some solder to the soldering iron and clean its tip first. Now I'll be cleaning it so that I can remove the excessive solder. This is how I get a nice clean tip of the solder. Um, the next step is to apply some flux and again clean it off. Opening old joints could be tricky. You see, it is not melting despite the fact that soldering iron is hot. The solution to this problem is applying some fresh solder to the joint so that the alloy composition could be set and the joint is removed easily. Now you see, it is easily melting. This way, by putting some old solder, some fresh solder to the joints, I can easily open up the joints. It is stuck because of these mechanical fixations and not because of the soldering anymore. You see, now if we want to make new soldering joints, easy peasy. Many people make a mistake of they try to put the solder here and in order to join the wire. This is not a successful method and makes difficult for the wire to join. In order to make a good joint, first we should make it heat up the contacts or the metal to be contacted, and then put the soldering iron solder material onto the material and not onto the soldering iron. This way we can make a joint easily and reliably. See, a nice joint has been made.